Hello guys, in this video I am going to show you how to allow car view to automatically be turned on when Spotify connects to your car's Bluetooth. But first I just want to mention, don't forget to subscribe to my channel, because at 10,000 subscribers I am going to show you my whole YouTube revenue statistics and growth strategy, how to make money online. So let's jump into it. First of all, open the application on your phone. Now click on the home icon down below, which is the first option, and then tap on the settings icon in the upper right corner of the screen. Scroll down till you find the car option and click on it. Then tap on set up car thing. Here you should press the button begin setup. But as you can see, it's only available to premium members only. So first you need to go and go premium on the application. But you can turn on this car view option by clicking on this button, thereby allowing this function to automatically turn on when Spotify connects to your car's Bluetooth. So that's pretty much it for this video. I hope you found it helpful. If you did, consider subscribing and see you in the next video. Bye bye.